So I've been using this keypad digital deadbolt for a while, this TEEHO one, and I really like using it. There's three reasons why. So one of them is actually it's very easy to install. So maybe total about 15 minutes tops to install if you're taking your time. The instructions are very thorough. And as you see here, this is the deadbolt assembly, and you can hear it latch, unlatch, and we can open it right now. And you might hear a beep too, so it'll beep when it locks, and same thing when it unlocks. And you can open it. And you can see right here, I use some pre-existing hardware, but it does come with frames and stuff that you can put here, but I didn't want to drill into this. So another thing I like is that it just uses 4 AA batteries, and it's it's not Wi-Fi, it's nothing to the internet, it's just straight up batteries, and it's very easy to use. There's a reset button right here if you need to use it. The last thing I like about this is the ease of use. So all the instructions tell you how to set the codes. So the good feature about this is that you can actually spoof your code if you're pressing it and there's someone there looking at you. So let's say your code is like 7777. You can do 3 digits of any number first, then your 7777, then the other 3 digits of any random number, and it will actually register as your unlock code. But to lock it, you just hold any button for 2 seconds. And just like that. But if I wanted to do a code, I can spoof it. So that's what it looks like after the code's been pressed in. My last couple digits I pressed were spoofed, so you didn't see my actual code. But this is how it works. No problems using this. It works really well. It's not too heavy either, and it was easy to install.